Here you go, Ilyusha's about to start driving on the skid pad. BMW M Performance Driving School. Hosted by Exotic Motor World. There goes Ilyusha in a 335. And the fun begins, guys. Just keep watching the two cars. They're about to start spinning. The first exercise is DSC completely off. Alright, and that's how that's done.